Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Just went by a cop. Hopefully he doesn't turn around and give me a ticket. So yeah, we are on our way to Pito's house right now. Raymar is there and he is installing a very exclusive front lip on his car. It is also about 125 degrees outside. It's brutal. It is brutal. If you don't have AC in your car, stay in the house. That's all I can tell you. Stay in the house. There's no need to be out here. It is brutal. Yeah. But I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace. So we just got here. The crew's here. What y'all looking for? Yo, where you go? Where does Jit go? Oh, there he goes. Yo. Recording this nigga for ruining my whole video.
You don't see shit?
Nah.
It's a brand new ass bolt right here.
Ooh. What is that? That's the fucking
right,
stamp right there,
piss
baby.
me off.
Flip it the other way. See if you're stepping on it, yo.
I don't want to drop the bumper. Look, I already cut myself.
Con qué?
The bumper. The lip.
No, you really dropped that shit and did not see where it dropped? That shit like mad bright. Oh no, it's not mad bright. It's that goldish color, right? That's what this shit.
Yo, just drive the car like that. It should look fire. Yo, I feel like we all have our go-to fucking shoes. Those are your shoes, huh, Pito? Those are you go out fucking around type shit?
Easy to put on, easy to take off.
Yo, look at these. This is how I leave the house.
Yeah, that's how I be with my phones.
Swear to God, yo, them shit slide right on. I'm out. And you can't go too crazy, right, with that?
Yeah, I don't want to. I'm gonna crack the fiber.
Yeah, it lines up here nice, and then over here it doesn't.
Oh no. What you wanna do?
I don't care, let's look at it.
It's the plate, man. That shit gonna fuck this whole video up. Take the plate off, yo.
Yeah, that's fine.
So all those plugs right there are for the fog lights?
Nah, those are factory plugs. Like for the fan and shit, I think. Fan, AC.
Yeah, that's the OEM shit.
two after one game. Can't take manifold if you don't need it.
Your boy ever found the race?
Huh?
Shiliga, not Jamila. And Shiliga, oh.
Doing the final touches right here. My boy just got the spoon front lip.
Nah, I need some fucking regulars.
Bro, I honestly,
Mad as hell, I'll put on some of your fucking ones.
I'm about to sell my slips and my slicks, and I'm pretty sure I'm still gonna have to put up money for some regulars or some spoon wheels.
Some Desmonds.
They're both Desmond.
I want some so bad, bro. I know getting rid of the slicks is gonna fucking hurt me later on, but it is what it is.
Juice.
Come on, bro, it's a Honda. When we swap all that shit over from the bubble, we put that too, remember?
How the hell did we used to fucking drive these
Yo,
cars on something?
no fucking idea. Now if I don't got AC, bro, I'm acting real bougie and not going nowhere.
This bitch turned right on.
It's been a week, you said?
Like 3 months, like 3 weeks.
That's crazy.
It's probably been a month.
Can we
It's probably-
take? I'm gonna show you guys the plan for the fuse box. You see how clean that looks? And he said that it literally has the bracket that it came with. So like everything's on there. It's pretty, you know what I mean? Pretty sturdy. That ain't going nowhere. Those are my plans. And then you guys see, hold on one second, let me see out the way. And you guys see how clean it is? But then again, he moved it because he had to, because he got the hood exit. I'm just moving it to, you know, to make it look cleaner. But look how clean that is. The fuse box would normally go here and the battery there, just like this. You see the difference, man? Like, that looks so dope. Alright, fellas, we're going for a little spin. Let me tell you, this right here is somewhat uncomfortable. I'm 6 foot, and the what do you call it? The staging brake kind of make you sit in an awkward way, like, you know. Gay. You know? Super dope. Yo, I smell the race gas still.
Nah, I think it's just because that bitch is right there.
Oh, watch it with the squirrel. Behind us. If you jump on what is that, 195? If you jump on 195, go up a few exits, right? And then you come back down. I don't. Woo! Stay right there, guys.
It was running
Is that really how much fuel you got? You want to stop and get gas? Definitely gonna need it.
Think so?
Yeah. What do you guys think? This is my first time running or riding in the car with what is that, 18K?
Oh, okay, whatever the box is.
He got the blocks drag suspension, and as you can see, it's bouncy. It's stiff as hell. Now I see why you say your back be hurting. It's definitely stiff. Coming soon, it says. Only one pump got premium? Oh, 93. Nice. It's gonna go make a hit real quick.
I always come it, but I get regular on my TL.
That's 93? 93, right? Loud as hell, yo. Yo, the hood's closed good? What do you think it is?
The fuel.
The fuel, you think?
But she's fueling on nitro. So that shit is dumping mad fuel. That's why she's running so rich.
You want to put some M5 in there?
I can't.
So what's going on, people? At this point, I left Pitos, and as you guys seen, we jumped on the highway and we tried to go, do a couple pools, some friendly runs between two brothers, and Pitos hatch was not cooperating. So the hatch is tuned on race fuel, so, and it might have a little nitro and whatever in the tune. So what happens is, with the race fuel and the nitro, when you get on it, it's really rich. So with the nitro, it balances it out. But when you put it on pump and you still have the same tune, what happens is your car runs really, really rich. And so that was the problem. Anywhere in between 25 and 3,000 RPMs, it would start breaking up, and we just couldn't do anything. So he checked if the plugs were bad, and nothing crazy, some regular wear. He's gonna drop some new spark plugs in there.